Look at these juicy, perfectly baked stuffed peppers. But wait, do you know what's inside? Welcome to the channel. Today I'm showing you vegan stuffed peppers that are so good you won't even think about meat. Let's get started. First I cook the lentils in the salted water for about 15 minutes until soft. Once done, I drain them and let them cool. Meanwhile, I prepare the millet. I add it to a pot with coconut oil, pour in water and cook until it absorbs all the liquid. Then I set it aside to cool. Now for the sauce. This is where the magic happens. In coconut oil, I saute chopped onion, then add salt, a bit of sugar, flour and sweet paprika, just until fragrant. I add tomato paste, pour in water and toss in a bay leaf. For extra flavor, I add pepper and homemade seasoning. Let it simmer, then blend everything together until smooth, removing the bay leaf before blending and adding it back after. Now let's move on to the filling. I mix the cool lentils and millet, add spices, herbs, finely chopped onion and garlic, some roughly ground walnuts for texture, nutritional yeast for that cheesy flavor, a bit of tomato paste and the flax egg. To make the flax egg, I mix ground flax seed with water and let it sit for about 10 minutes until it thickens. Then I mix everything well and start stuffing the peppers. Once filled, I top each pepper with a slice of tomato for extra flavor. Place them in a baking dish and pour over the sauce. If the sauce feels too thick, feel free to add a bit of water. I always do. Bake at 200 degrees Celsius for about 50 minutes covered, then another 10 minutes uncovered to get a nice golden finish. And in the end, we've made stuffed peppers that are soft, juicy, full of flavor and absolutely delicious. And yes, completely vegan. If you're looking for a healthy and filling meal, you have to try this. If you enjoyed the video, give it a like and subscribe for more vegan recipes. And tell me in the comments what would you put inside. See you soon!